Vegetarian cuisine is rich in nutrients and offers a wide variety of foods that can provide more nutrients than meat, especially when combined correctly. Here are some super Indian vegetarian foods that are highly nutritious. Number 1. Lentils and legumes. Dal, nutrients, protein, fiber, iron, folate, and magnesium. Examples: moong dal, masoor dal, chana dal, tur dal. Benefits: these are excellent sources of plant-based protein and are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Number 2. Paneer, Indian cottage cheese. Nutrients: protein, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin B12. Benefits: a great protein source for vegetarians. Paneer is also rich in calcium, which is essential for bone health. Number 3. Spinach, palak. Nutrients: iron, calcium, vitamins A, C, and K, folate, and fiber. Benefits: spinach is known for its high iron content, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood cells. It's also rich in antioxidants. Number 4. Quinoa. Nutrients: complete protein, fiber, magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. Benefits: quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also gluten-free and high in fiber. Number 5. Chickpeas, chana. Nutrients: protein, fiber, folate, iron, and phosphorus. Benefits: chickpeas are versatile and can be used in various dishes. They provide high-quality protein and are excellent for digestive health due to their fiber content. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. Nutrients: healthy fats, protein, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin E. Examples: almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, sunflower seeds. Benefits: these are nutrient-dense foods that provide essential fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants, which are vital for heart and brain health. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Nutrients: vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, vitamin C, manganese, and fiber. Benefits: sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body, supporting vision and immune function. Number 8. Broccoli. Nutrients: vitamins C and K, fiber, potassium, and folate. Benefits: broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrients, particularly vitamin C and fiber, which are important for immune function and digestive health. Number 9. Whole grains. Nutrients: fiber, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and selenium. Examples: brown rice, whole wheat, barley, millet. Benefits: whole grains provide complex carbohydrates that are slowly digested, offering sustained energy, along with a good amount of fiber and essential nutrients. Number 10. Yogurt, dahi. Nutrients: probiotics, protein, calcium, vitamin B12, and potassium. Benefits: yogurt is a probiotic food that supports gut health and is also a great source of calcium and protein. Number 11. Moringa. Drumstick leaves. Nutrients: vitamins A, C, E, calcium, potassium, and protein. Benefits: moringa is a highly nutritious plant that contains more vitamin C than oranges and more calcium than milk. It's also a good source of iron and protein. Number 12. Fenugreek. Methi. Nutrient: fiber, iron, magnesium, and manganese. Benefits: fenugreek leaves and seeds are known for their medicinal properties and are rich in nutrients that support digestion and overall health. Number 13. Amaranth. Nutrients: protein, fiber, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Benefits: amaranth is a gluten-free grain that's high in protein and contains lysine, an essential amino acid that is often lacking in plant-based foods. Number 14. Beetroot. Nutrients: folate, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Benefits: beetroot is known for its blood-purifying properties and is a good source of folate and iron, supporting cardiovascular health. Number 15. Coconut. Nutrients: healthy fats, manganese, copper, selenium, and iron. Benefit: coconut, in its various forms, water, flesh, oil, is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, which are easily digestible and provide quick energy. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet can help ensure that vegetarians get all the essential nutrients they need, often surpassing the nutritional content found in meat.